So we've seen two different ways to move between different applications and or different windows of the application. But there's another one I want to teach you, and this is a keystroke. And so this is a new concept that I'm bringing in. We've done kind of a keystroke, which is we held down the control key when we clicked on something so that we could get that right click or that menu pop up. So we were using a key, but now we're going to use a keystroke, which is a combination of keys at the same time to get something done. And this is so I don't use my mouse or my cursor, right? My keys don't move. My mouse may not be in the same place, right? I might have to look for my mouse. But keystrokes, if you're using a menu item a lot, a keystroke is a great shortcut to get things done faster. And the keystroke I'm going to use is a combination of the command key and the tab key. Now, the command key is right next to the space bar, and I don't want you to confuse it with the control key. So we've already done control click, right? But we're not going to do a control tab. We're doing a command tab. So make sure you're using the command button. So watch what happens when I do this. I'm going to hold down my command key on my keyboard, and I'm going to press tab one time, and you're going to see this pop up. This is called the application switcher or the app switcher. I'm still holding down command, but that's all. I'm holding down the command key. And every time I press tab, you'll notice it goes down the line and highlights a different application. Now, when I get to the one that I want, maybe I want Safari, I'm going to let go of command, and it's going to bring Safari to the foreground. Again, holding down command, pressing tab, tab, letting go of command, and I've brought the text edit document back to the foreground. Now, also keep your eye up here on the menu, right? Because as I move between them, now this tells me I'm in Safari, and now this tells me that I'm in preview. Okay, so that's a command tab to use the app switcher. Very powerful, very, very useful. Also, it gives you an overview of what are all the applications that are open, right? Instead of just looking at the dots along the dock, I can see what all the open apps are and very quickly switch between them.